Hey everyone, welcome to Earthling Cooks. Today we're going to make scallops. Now, scallops are awesome and they're super simple to cook actually, and very fast and easy to do. All we're going to do for these, now you can season them other ways, you can add more flavors, but I like just a simple salt, pepper, and garlic. So we're going to just go ahead and season these all up with salt, pepper, and garlic. Have your pan heating up. You want that hot and ready. So have your pan heating up to about a medium heat. You don't want it super hot that you're going to burn the oil. You just want it around a medium heat. Now once we're seasoned, we'll just go ahead and add some oil to the pan. You can use olive oil. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use any basic oil for cooking. You want to kind of have the bottom of the pan a little covered. So you don't need to use a ton that they're like swimming in it, but you want to have the bottom of the pan just fully covered there. Now we'll go ahead and throw them in. Now we're going to cook them about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Now after about 3 minutes, we'll go ahead and flip them. We should have some nice color on the other side. A little brownness, but not burn. That's perfect. We'll just flip them all over, and then we'll cook them about 2 minutes on the next side. All right, now it's been another 3 minutes about, a little bit over 2 minutes, and they're looking done and good. Got nice color, and they're definitely all fully cooked. We'll take them off and look at how they finished out. And here's our final product, super simple and tasty. Only took about 6 minutes. Awesome scallops. Let me know how you guys do them at home and how they turn out. This is Earthling Cooks. We'll see y'all later.